If you're new or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for every new recipes.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tanya's Kitchen. So today's recipe is gonna be rice noodles with crispy chicken. So this is like a very comforting dish and everyone wants to get into their cozy couch or something and take a bowl of this delicious rice noodles, crispy chicken and watch some TV and enjoy. So, well, that is not the case for us because we cannot get cozy at this time of the day because it's a working day. So anyways, but still I'm gonna make this delicious recipe and share it with you guys so that you guys can also enjoy it. It has very simple ingredients and the crispy chicken is gonna be air fried. So it's gonna be absolutely delicious and tender and juicy from the inside while it is very crispy from the outside. So if you don't have an air fryer, you can definitely deep fry them or pan fry them or make it crispy however you like. But this is an air fryer recipe, so that's why I'm gonna air fry them. And I'm just letting you guys know that if you guys haven't ever air fried any chicken or fries or anything, trust me, you won't find the difference. You won't feel the difference at all. It is similar to deep fried. The only difference is that it's very healthy. That's it. So anyways, so let me just get with the ingredients, show you everything, and we can get cooking. So let me start with the noodles. These are the noodles that I'm making. They are rice noodles, and then I have 2 eggs that I have beaten them properly. I have chili flakes, soy sauce, sweet chili sauce, and over here in this bowl I have garlic powder, salt, paprika, and black pepper. I have Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. If you don't have Italian seasoned, just go ahead and use this plain breadcrumbs. Just add salt and black pepper to it. I have some avocado oil because I'm gonna air fry the chicken, so I'll use the avocado oil for that. I have all-purpose flour. I have chicken. You can see the size of the chicken cubes. They are very tiny, like bite-sized pieces. So this is what you want. And then I have some sliced red onion. I have a green pepper, salt, and black pepper here. So let's go ahead and start cooking. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare the chicken, put it in the air fryer, and then get on with the other things. So let's start with the chicken. First thing, the mixture of black pepper, salt, paprika, and garlic powder. I'm going to add this entire thing here to my all-purpose flour because I want my flour to be seasoned properly so that my chicken have a very good flavor. So you want to add in here, just give it a mix, and then to this I'm gonna add in the chicken. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna add in the chicken here. And you can find the exact recipe for this dish in the description box below. There will be a link which will take you to my website. You can check out the recipe, print it out, and also you can enjoy other delicious recipes. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix it properly. You wanna make sure that every chicken piece is coated. And if you want, you can go ahead and use your hand. My hands are absolutely clean if by any chance I have to use them. So no worries there. Okay, so they look good to me. You can see they are properly coated. And now I'm gonna take the chicken pieces and drop them in the egg like so. Do 3-4 pieces at a time. Okay. And then from egg they're going to this breadcrumbs. It's a little time taking, but it's not that bad. If you have any help, it will be great. You can just do the egg part, the other one can do the breadcrumb, but otherwise it's still not going to take a lot of time, so it's worth it. And now I am going to use my hand and coat the chicken very nicely from all the sides. and keep them here in this tray. And I'm gonna do the same for all the chicken, line them up here, and then I'm gonna air fry them. All the chicken pieces are gonna go together in the air fry, so I don't have to really do two to three batches of it. This already looks delicious. And also you can just make some extra chicken this way, and do not add it in the noodles, just keep it aside and you can just have it as a chicken poppers kind of thing. So I'm going to do the same for all the chicken and show you once I'm done coating all the chicken. See, all my chicken pieces are absolutely coated and they are ready to go in the air fryer. My air fryer here is ready. So first of all, I'm just gonna spray a little bit of avocado oil in the bottom so that they don't stick, and then I'm just gonna place all of these here, and you can see there are like so many chicken pieces, not chickens. Keeping them very close so that I can fit all of my chicken pieces. And there's no harm if you want to overlap some of the pieces, that is fine in order to fit them. So this is like one layer, and now I'm going to just spray a little bit of avocado oil. Go ahead and use whichever oil you like, and then I'll just randomly place here and there another. And almost done. One last piece. We'll go around here. Just gonna keep this aside, and again spray the chickens properly. And now I'm gonna air fry them for 20 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. So they're going in the air fryer. So while the chickens are air frying, I'm quickly gonna make a sauce and keep it in this so that it will be very easy for me to pour it whenever I want, into the onions and peppers and everything. So first thing I'm gonna add is soy sauce, and then chili flakes. You can see also chili flakes. So you can control the spice according to your spice level. If you want less spicy, just add less chili flakes. But it's not gonna be very spicy because I'm also adding the sweet chili sauce. And this is gonna give a very, very nice flavor to your noodles and chicken. And I am sure that I'm gonna save some of the air fried chickens for me to eat just later on, like the crispy chicken poppers kind of thing. So I'm just gonna save a little bit. You can also do the same. It's gonna taste amazing. Okay. Oh my god, the sauce looks delicious. You can see my sauce is ready. And now what I'm gonna do is start boiling the noodles. And let's go ahead and do that first, but for that we need to move there to my stove, so let's go there. So just added my noodles, they're going to be boiling here right now, and let's start making the veggie mix and everything. So in my pan, this is heating up, I'm going to add oil. To this I'm going to add the onions. Give it a nice mix. And peppers. Little bit of salt. Very tiny bit because you already are adding soy sauce and all that stuff. So very tiny bit of salt. And black pepper. That's it. I'm just going to mix it, and the heat is medium-high heat. So I'm just going to let them saute until they get not very soggy, not very like soggy and translucent, just a little bit until they have a light color on them. And then, because I want the veggies to stay crispy and not become soggy. So let's wait for that, and meanwhile let me check my chicken because I'm sure they're done by now. So let me just go ahead and check them and show it to you. So you can see the chickens are done. They are nice and crispy. You can hear the crisp. See? Oh my god, they look delicious. So I'm just gonna keep them aside right now and add them into the noodles when the noodles are done. So they look perfect. Okay, so you can see the veggies are done. They have a nice crisp on them. Now I'm gonna reduce the heat to low because I don't want the sauce to get burned, and I'm gonna add this delicious sauce. You don't want to leave anything behind because this sauce, trust me guys, is so good. And now you're gonna mix all of these up. So there is no more cooking required. That's why the heat is on low, because I still want it to be hot and warm. Now I'm gonna start adding everything together. I'm gonna add the chicken and coat the chicken, like mix them properly so that the chicken is also coated. And don't worry, they won't get soggy. They are still gonna be very crispy. And now finally I am going to be adding the noodles. Noodles are here. So let's just mix them up. Ooh, it looks delicious. So this noodle, it is absolutely ready to serve now. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix it properly and then serve it in a plate, and then we are going to do the taste testing. So the recipe is ready right here in front of you, and you guys saw how easy it was, and the chicken came out super crispy. Well, let me just dig in and take a bite and see how it is. Oh my god. The flavor is so good. Let me take a bite of the chicken. It is delicious. Trust me guys, the noodles, I think the best thing in this noodles is because of the sauce, the mixture I made, and the crispy chicken. Oh my god, and the onions are giving the sweetness. I think everything makes this dish amazing. So you guys have to try it. Do let me know in the comment section below how you liked it. And that is it for today. I will see you guys in my next recipe. So till then, bye bye.